I'm in love with this Alienware computer screen, y'all. This screen is beautiful, amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. What it do? What it do? It's your boy Trey Dub, and I just came from Best Buy. I had to return the Meta Quest 3, y'all. I had bought it like 4 days ago. Just left out of Best Buy. Just got the Quest 3, and I'm excited. Can't wait to get home. See what this thing can do. I never opened the box, man. Just, I've been working, and I was at work. I'm thinking, I'm not off in the VR like that. My first VR experience, the first VR I ever had was the first PlayStation VR when I had my PS4, and that was pretty cool. And then I bought the Meta Quest 2, and let me tell you, I had a lot of fun on that too, playing that truckers simulators, ATS, American Truck Simulator. Then I bought the Quest 3, and I was like, man, I'm gonna take this back. And I took it back, and I think I might get that Apple Vision Pro whenever developers, whenever they have more games and stuff. If they have any games, I don't know if they do. But anyway, yeah, I want that Apple Vision Pro one day. But yeah, I just came from Best Buy. I'm trying to set up a gaming area in my room, because we have one TV, of course, and I don't want to hog the TV playing the game when my wife want to, watch a movie, watch TV. That's the reason I bought the Steam Deck OLED and the Lenovo Legion Go. But yeah, your boy just came from Best Buy, and I purchased a game monitor, the Alienware AW3423 Quantum Dot OLED. All right, and I didn't know what monitor I was gonna get. I went online before I got there, and I seen a few monitors, and man, when I seen that Alienware on display, I said, man, I gotta get that. Matter of fact, I have it in the back seat. Look at that. Yeah, man. So let me tell you what I have going on. I have a 50-50 split screen. On the left, I have the Steam Deck OLED, and on the right, I have the Xbox Series X, which is down here. Okay. Now, one thing I like about this screen, that you can go into settings, and you could turn that split screen off. You can do 75-25. You can do 25-75, so on and so on. So I'm gonna do 75-25, and that's how it look. Look at that. They're gonna get 25% right there. And there go your 75% right here, Steam Deck. All right, so I'm just waiting on a few more things to come in. I'm waiting on the. I need to order a display port dock station for the Legion Go. I don't have this one hooked up. Here go the cable right here. I don't have it hooked up. I need the dock station so I can hook this up and browse the web or do what I need to do on that. You see in the back right there, I have the HDMI 5-in-1 splitter because as you can see, I'm running 4 consoles HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm waiting on my splitter, a Type C splitter, because right here I have this cable going straight to the back of the monitor. That's Type C. Other end is this port, display port. So yeah, once I get the splitter, I have the splitter right here up top. Then I have this cable going to one end of the splitter, and the other end I have the dock. Right here. So it'll be charging at the same time, and I can use the mouse and keyboard. These speakers right here have a lot of good reviews. I got this on Amazon along with the mouse and keyboard. This the chair I just got right here. Just got that today. And I got a black and blue one for my son. Oh yeah, man. So if y'all haven't already, go on ahead, subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching your boy. All right, I'm out. Peace.